These people were enjoying a game of bat out of nowhere. A powerful earthquake struck violently, sending the entire ceiling crashing down in seconds. As if the collapsing roof wasn't terrifying, and the fact that it was made of asbestos, far more dangerous. Get down. Tornado swirling with lightning. This is an absolutely deadly moment. Take a look at this. This monstrous tornado tore through China in 2030, leaving behind a massive path of destruction. This landslide is slowly but relentlessly consuming everything in its way.
Questo arriva dalla strada.
You can see the earth splitting and shifting, a terrifying consequence of the powerful earth that struck Japan years ago, causing widespread devastation to roads and buildings. Watch this intense footage as Hurricane Irma rips through Maho Beach, St. Martin, demonstrating the sheer unstoppable as it wipes away the famous coastline. This is what a truly disastrous day at work looks like. Frightening footage from inside a sudden, blinding dust storm. A massive tree suddenly crashes down. Thankfully, the child reacts just in time and escapes disaster. In 1980, Mount St. Helens erupted with unimaginable force, launching enormous clouds of ash and deadly pyroclastic flows down its slopes. The explosion permanently reshaped the and darkened skies across multiple states, marking it as one of the most devastating volcanic eruptions in U.S. history.
Now we got a whole big eruption out of the crater. And we got another that opened up on the west side, and the whole west side, northwest side is right down.
The buffaloes helplessly swept a heartbreaking sight to witness. This cameraman is incredibly brave, capturing a tornado from an uncomfortably close distance. A massive wall of dust looms toward a ship. A scene straight out of a disaster movie. This is pure chaos unfolding. A few years ago, an enormous flood hit Kerala, India, causing severe destruction. Countless homes were washed away, leaving thousands of families homeless. Something tells me he won't be taking his car out anytime soon.
Holy cow! So that is a 4-foot pole.
Spain was recently battered by this devastating, causing immense destruction across the country. Watch as the floodwaters forcefully rush into this store, destroying everything in their way.
I'm freaking out. Oh my god!
Look at that!
Oh my god, this monstrous flood could sweep away that entire house. People are fleeing for their lives. Watch this enormous landslide tearing down entire forests in seconds. Nature's true power on full display. This CCTV footage captures the shocking moment an earthquake struck Nepal in 2015. When hailstones grow to the size of golf balls, you know it's time to take cover. Wait, did I say golf balls? Let's upgrade that to baseballs.
Stay away from those. Look how big that was.
When the wind is so strong that even the entire beach starts shifting. On September 16, 2024, a powerful earthquake rattled Indonesia, causing widespread panic and destruction. CCTV footage inside a restaurant shows the chaos, as terrified diners rush to escape the trembling ground.
Absolutely shat myself.
A massive dust storm in Australia looms over a neighborhood as a family braces for impact. This lightning strike is incredibly intense and blinding.
I'm not.
Witness this shocking underground explosion, completely destroying an entire roadway. When a hurricane struck this entertainment center in Mexico, everyone instantly forgot about breaking their Pac-Man high scores.
Su puta madre, güey. ¿Qué pedo? Madre, güey. Mira, güey.
Está hueco, se mueve un más.
This legendary volcano erupted on Krakatau in 2018, unleashing an awe-inspiring and destructive force of nature.